In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload web pages, videos, documents, and images onto your Miro board. Miro is a wonderfully versatile tool, and being able to upload various types of content opens up a lot of creative possibilities for your team, collaborations, or personal projects. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the Miro website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in miro.com. Once you're on the Miro homepage, you'll need to log in. To do that, look for the login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and it will lead you to the sign in page where you can either use your email or sign in with your Google account. Whichever method you choose, the process is straightforward. Simply enter your details and follow the prompts. Once you've signed in, you will find yourself on the dashboard. Here you should see a list of your boards. Click on the board where you wish to upload your files. Once inside your board, you will notice a range of options designed to help you enhance your workspace. Among these is the upload button, which is typically located in the toolbar at the bottom or the side of the interface. Click on it to begin the upload process. From the upload menu, select My Device. This action will prompt a file browser window to appear, from which you can locate and select the file you wish to upload from your computer. Choose your file and then click on the upload button in this window. This is the quickest way to get content from your computer directly onto your Miro board. Moreover, you can upload content by using a URL. Once again, click on the upload button, but this time choose upload via URL. A field will appear for you to paste the URL of the web page, video, or document you want to upload. Making sure your URL is accurate, click OK to complete the process. Alternatively, Miro offers a streamlined workflow by allowing you to drag and drop files directly onto the board. This is a quick method for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. Simply open the folder where your file is saved, drag the file over the Miro interface, and release it on the board. It's as simple as it sounds and a great option for uploading multiple files at once, enhancing your productivity even further. Finally, if you're dealing with links, Miro lets you paste these links directly onto your board. This means that any shared resource can be quickly integrated and is accessible right from the board itself. These simple steps can save you considerable time and effort, providing a seamless way to enrich your Miro board with all the resources and content you need. With practice, you'll find this process becomes a natural part of your Miro experience, enhancing both the interactivity and visual appeal of your collaborative projects. Happy uploading!